Namaste to all. Welcome to my channel for Yoga 9. My name is Gunija. Today we are going to practice some balancing asanas. Now the first practice is the Tadasana. For this practice, keep your legs together. Look front at a point at your eye level. Now interlock your fingers. While inhaling, raise your hands and the heels up. Turn the palms upward and stretch your whole body. Maintain this posture with normal breathing 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While exhaling, slowly bring the hands down. Side view. Inhaling, raise your hands and the heels up. Turn the palms upward and stretch your whole body and maintain with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While exhaling, slowly bring the hands and the heels down. We will do one more round. Inhaling, raise your hands and the heels up. Turn the palms and stretch your whole body. Feel the nice stretching effect throughout your whole body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While exhaling, bring the hands and the heels down. Release your fingers and relax for a while. Now next practice is the Vrikshasana. For this practice, first keep the legs together. Now keep your foot on the inner thigh of the other leg. Look front at the point, stand erect. While inhaling, raise your both the hands above your head. Slowly join the palms. Stretch your hands further up. Maintain this position with normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While exhaling, slowly bring the hands down. If you are unable to balance your body, you can take the wall support. Again, from the other side, keep the foot on the inner thigh of the other leg. Stand erect. While inhaling, raise your hands above your head. Join the palms. Stretch your hands further up. Breathe normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While exhaling, slowly bring the hands down. Do this practice 2 to 3 rounds. Now the last practice is very simple. How to do? Keep the palms on your waist. While inhaling, just lift your one leg up like this and balance your whole body on single leg. Maintain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhaling, down. Do from the other side. Inhale, up. Balance on single leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhaling, down. Do this practice 2 to 3 rounds. All this balancing practice, it helps to improve your balancing power and concentration, and it helps to strengthen your whole body. Thank you very much.